Are you fascinated by global markets and cultures? Imagine building a career that takes you around the world, shaping international business strategies or economic policies. Do you see your futures across borders, in a company that operates globally, or an organization that makes decisions that matters? If so, this major is where your international career begins.
The International Business Management at LIUC
Prepares you to thrive on the global stage, turning your international ambitions into reality. You learn how to operate across complex, multicultural, and fast-moving environments. You study entirely in English within international faculties and diverse classmates from around the world. You work on global case studies, tackle real-world challenges, and build practical skills through project work with companies. You'll develop a global mindset and the ability to navigate international complexity. Key topics include international trade and law, global strategy, sustainable development, and cross-cultural management. All skills that international companies are searching for. You'll be ready for careers in multinational corporations, NGOs, institutions, and international consulting firms. Export manager, business developer, international consultant, and all roles that you can aim to. And with LIUC, you'll get there fast. Thanks to our strong company network, most students start working within about 2 months after graduation. You don't need to leave Europe to become global. You just need the right mindset and the right place to grow it. Go global, start here. Apply now.